Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Kerala. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must approach the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the branch. Then they have to fill in it with all the necessary information. They have to make sure to carry document mentioned under the required document section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of the Aadhaar card along with the application form and submit it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is submitted, concerned authorities will process the application and once the process is completed, the applicant will be intimidated via SMS on their mobile number. The entire process will be done within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective official website of the mutual fund office. Then they have to click on the contact us option on the website and find out the official email address of the mutual fund. They have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and their Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual fund. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, concerned authority will check the submitted application and documents it. If all are in place, the process will be completed within a week. Once the process is completed, the applicant will be intimated via SMS or as a reply to the same email sent by them. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN space Aadhaar number space Y. Have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number and the processing will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This process will take place within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.